Hey guys, let's make some seafood lasagna roll ups. First, you're going to start with your piece of salmon. You want to season it with onion powder, Old Bay, garlic powder, complete seasoning, lemon pepper, and last but not least, some paprika for color. Then you want to boil your noodles and add some butter to a skillet to start cooking your salmon. Y'all, that piece of salmon was a monster. It was a monster. Then once that salmon was done, I removed it from the heat and added in my seasoned shrimp. You want to season your shrimp the same way you season your salmon. I added in garlic cloves because it gives it extra flavor. You want layers of flavor. Look at, oh my God, it was so good, y'all. Then I added some crawfish. No, I did not peel these. These came in a bag. I'm not going to cook them too much. I just really want to pick up the leftover flavors that was in the skillet and just heat them up because they're going in the oven anyways. This is me adding my spinach. I was chopping it by hand. You cannot forget your spinach, baby. You need some greens. What's wrong with you? Then you want to put everything in one bowl or skillet, break up your salmon, and you want to add some cream cheese and your spinach. So in my filling, I had salmon, shrimp, crawfish, 1 block of cream cheese, and spinach. I made sure to taste my filling just to make sure that it didn't need any more seasoning. That is key. So to a cup of the pasta water, I added in my heavy cream. I added in 1/4 stick of butter and some mozzarella cheese. And I let it do its thing, okay? You're gonna let this boil on high and then let it simmer, adding your cheese, mix it up till it's thick. This is me assembling the lasagna roll-ups. This was so fun and just, you know, it was so good. It was so good. I need to make these again. I don't think I need to tell y'all how to roll them up, but you can see I'm putting a decent amount of filling in each piece of lasagna noodle, and then I'm literally just rolling it up. If you want, you can add cheese on top of this and then roll it. I didn't see the need for it. I mean, if you want more cheese, you can definitely do it that way, but I'm literally just rolling them up. It's so freaking pretty. Look at that. Once all your lasagna roll-ups are rolled up, I added some sauce to the bottom of the baking dish, and then I added the rest to the top. It's okay for them to look like they're gonna float away. Once you added all of your cream sauce, you want to top it with your favorite cheese. Bake in the oven on 350 degrees for 40 minutes covered, and like 5-10 minutes uncovered until it's a golden brown. This is before the oven, and this is after the oven. Y'all, it was so good. It's so hard to not eat them. Like, what in the world? Hey foodies, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching another video recipe from your chef, Qoya. And if you use this recipe and post your photos, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chef QoyaCooks. Yes, I have a new Instagram page. Everything will be linked in the bio, including the ingredients for this recipe. I'm so excited to be back again and giving you guys some more pasta recipes. Let me know what you want to see next in the comment section. Until then, bye guys.